The DuraPost Sleeper T Post is a strong, reliable solution for small to medium sleeper retainments. Made from cold rolled steel, its T-shaped design makes fixing sleepers simple and secure, and is ideal for raised beds, borders and retaining walls. Pre-drilled 9mm holes allow for fast installation using SiteMate timber screws. The T-shaped design is perfect for holding sleepers securely. And the versatile design allows for multiple configurations. A pre-galvanised Magnelis coating offers long-term corrosion resistance in all weather. This product may be used with most available sleeper sizes, from reclaimed hardwood railway sleepers to sawn, green or brown nominal sizes. Easy to use and built to last, DuraPost is the smart choice for durable, professional results.